case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company, widely recognized as RJR, faced a lawsuit over the abrupt termination of its Camel Cash program back in 2007. Camel Cash was a customer loyalty program designed to incentivize and retain consumers. However, the case, named Sateriale v. R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company, became a focal point for heated debates regarding the nature of advertisements and the role they play in establishing contractual promises. At its core, the dispute revolved around whether RJR breached its contract and failed to keep up the promises made through its customer loyalty program. The plaintiffs argued that they had relied on RJR's promises made through the program, thereby accepting the said offers. Contrarily, RJR argued that communications through the program were not offers, but were merely invitations to make offers. In response, the court dissected the fundamentals of contract law and the concept of unilateral contracts. Such contracts are accepted not by promising to perform an act, but simply by performing the act itself. In the context of the case, the court concluded that the Camel Cash program indeed amounted to a unilateral contract. Additionally, the court clarified that despite general perception, not all advertisements are mere invitations to make offers. Customer loyalty programs such as Camel Cash that demonstrate a binding commitment from the company should be seen as exceptions to this rule. The ruling went in favor of the plaintiffs, stating that RJR waived its right to terminate the program without any notice the moment it announced a termination date. Consequently, the breach of contract and promissory estoppel claims mounted by the plaintiffs were declared valid by the court. Despite siding with the plaintiffs on contractual claims, the court upheld the dismissal of the Unfair Competition Law, UCL, and the Consumer Legal Remedies Act, CLRA, claims. Lacking sufficient evidence, the court dismissed these allegations with prejudice. Thus, while the breach of contract and promissory estoppel dismissal was reversed, dismissals of the UCL and CLRA claims were affirmed. Given this complex ruling, the case was remanded to the district court for further proceedings. As for the cost of the appeal, the court ruled that each party bears its own financial burdens. By resolving this case, the court marked an important development in the understanding of customer loyalty programs and contract law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.